Hey guys, this is Abe Jacobs and I'm back with another video today. Now in this particular video, I want to show you guys an arbitrage opportunity. And as you guys know, an arbitrage is a business opportunity in which we buy low from one exchange and we sell high at another exchange. Now I want to show you guys this particular platform that though I'll be honest, I've been seeing this platform before. I've even made a video about it before in one of my past video. It was also an arbitrage opportunity, but I'm back again to this same platform because of a particular email I got from this particular platform. So I received this email around 10 a.m. this morning, so I got to check it out. So the thing about the email was that the platform introduced a buying and selling option, because initially this platform was just a swapping option. You can only swap one coin for another, but right now you can now buy coins directly on this particular platform. Now, like I said before, I made a video about this before, but right now I'm just going to show you guys how this works. Now in this particular platform, once you are logged in, you have to create your own account and stuff. Now all you have to do is come to my orders and you go to your buy and sell. Now once you've selected Nigerian Naira, you have to change this. You look for what? You look for Theta, not USDT. You look for Theta and then you go to the list, Theta Tron. Now in this particular platform, they have several payment options ranging from your card, the SEPA, the bank transfer, Apple Pay and Google Pay. But the only option that is working now is the card option, which is your Visa card, your MasterCard, any which one you want to use. But the issue right now is that Nigerian cards, or rather the Naira cards, are not working for international payments. Naira cards are not working for international payments due to the lack of the scarcity of dollars to fill in for the orders of nairas being put in by several retailers everywhere. So there's no liquidity, there's scarcity of the dollar, so the CBN cannot match the worth of dollar to the pending orders. So that is why the naira cards are not working. However, dollar cards are working. So if you want a dollar card, you can go to banks like Access, go to banks like UBA, go to banks like GTB, open a domiciliary account with them. If you are their existing customer already, you just go there, tell them, I want to open a domiciliary account. I want to open a dollar account. A domiciliary account is essentially a dollar account. So you open a domiciliary account with them. You have to be their existing member already, or you can just go and register with the bank, become their customer. Then you open a domiciliary account. Then after opening the domiciliary account, they can ask you to deposit a minimum of $50 or $100, depending on any which one they want you to go for. Now, once you've opened your domiciliary account, you'll also be given a dollar card. You'll be given the Access American Express, the JTB dollar card, the UBA prepaid dollar card. So all these are dollar cards that you can get at your local banks here in Nigeria that are all working for online payments. So we make use of dollar cards now. We don't use Naira cards anymore. So you make sure you get any of these cards that I mentioned, and then you can do you can run your online international transaction. Now the beauty of this platform is that by making use of our Visa card, we can get USDT at a very cheap rate over here. Now let's run the simulation with 50,000 Naira. So if you are going with 50,000 Naira, we'll be getting 56.71 USDT. So we'll be getting was 56.71 USDT, and it's not just 50,000 naira. The minimum you can go for here is 4,000 naira, because if I input a price lower, let's say I go for 150, sorry, so let's say I go for 150, the minimum is 3,576 naira. So this arbitrage is something that you can run with a very low amount, even as low as 10,000, 20,000 naira. But I always go with 50,000 naira as my as my base capital, my base ideas for all these transactions. So now let's go back to our 50,000 naira. So back to our 50,000 naira, we are still getting 51.71 USDT. Now all you have to do is click on next. You go to your Binance, copy your USDT TRC20 wallet address from Binance, then you paste it here. Then the next thing, you have to press next again. Then from here your transaction will be processed. Now you'll be getting 56.71 USDT after your transaction has been processed, and it will be sent to your Binance USDT TLC wallet. Now before we head over to Binance, I want you guys to see the rate in which this platform is selling USDT to us. So all I had to do was divided my initial capital divided by the rate of, or the amount of USDT I'm getting. So they are selling USDT to us at the rate of 881 naira. So if you're able to try out our cards and we are able to get this transaction successfully done, you guys can see that we'll be making an enormous profit. Now let me head over to the Binance P2P market and see what profit margin we will be getting. You guys can see right here, if you're able to get your transaction successfully done from this platform, you are able to get your USDT arrived on Binance, you'll be making an extra profit of what, of 15,000 naira, because our 50,000 naira now has become 65,562.43 naira. So this platform, they just introduced their buying and selling option on this platform. So while the platform is still fresh, they are still doing this before they increase their rate, before they alter their rate. You guys should get to what, you get to try this out. Try out your bank cards, go to banks, collect dollar cards, and you run this particular transaction and you make your profit. Now we are buying USDT at the rate of 881 and we are selling at the rate of what, 1,156.10 naira. So for every USDT we are owing, or every USDT we have, you'll be getting a profit of at least almost 400 naira on each unit of USDT that we have. So overall, this arbitrage opportunity is very profitable. Like I said, the platform, I've made a video about it before. So the platform is called moonace.io. So you guys can also check out the platform. Go to Trustpilot. They have a very nice review on Trustpilot. Check it out all by yourself. Do your own research. Please always do your own research, guys. Now that's it about this particular arbitrage opportunity. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and join the description in the link to have access to my crypto sports signals and updates, our arbitrage signals and updates, and join our Telegram group for our forex trading signals as well. Thank you.